Okay, we start. Question 1. Which part of the OPCRF focuses on KRA accomplishments? Okay, of course, definitely the answer is part 1 of the OPCRF requires you to accomplish. No? Only Len and Ella got the correct answer. Congratulations. We go to the next question. What must be the total weight of all the KRA? Only 100%. So 5 of you got the correct answer. Ford, Rs, Gobs, Arlene, and Elearns. Question 3. Which is not a performance rating criteria? The answer is 5. Yellow. Creativity is not a part of the criteria. Rs, Len, Ella, Elearns, and John got the correct answer. Question 4. What rating means exceeding the target of 15 to 29%? Very satisfactory. Okay. One got the correct answer. Slen. Question 5. Time related indicators assess what principal skill? It's on the time management. 8 got the correct answer. Nante, Ford, Gabs, Arlene, Ella, Shah, and Suklay. Question 6. Which is a leadership competency in the OPCRF? Yes, it's leading people. Leading people. Here are the names of those who got the correct answer. Congratulations. Question 7. Who provides feedback on OPCRF evaluations? Okay, teachers provide the feedback. 5 got the correct answer. Ford, Gabs, Len, Ella, and Shah. Congratulations. Now we move on to question 8. Which task is a part of strategic leadership? School planning. All of you got the correct answer. Here are the names of those who were able to get the correct answer. Question 9. What allows principals to realign their mid-year goal? Okay. You need to conduct your mid-year review of your OPCRF to look into the outputs that you gain from your mid-year implementation. Congratulations to those who were able to get the correct answer. Question 10. Behavioral indicators in the OPCRF use the scale of what? The scale of 5-point scale. Ford, Ella, Suklay got the correct answer. Question 11. OPCR aligns with the system for teachers. Of course, it's PMS, no? Performance Management and Evaluation System. Here are the top scorers. Question 12. Which CRA involves community engagement? Okay, 10 of you got the correct answer. Stakeholders collaboration. Here are the names of those who got the correct answer. Question 13. What is the key for evidence-based decisions? Of course, we use empirical data, no, to support or back up your results. 7 of you got the correct answer. Congratulations. We move on to question 14. OPCRF links leadership to what teachers aspect? Okay, it's on their professional growth. All of you got the correct answer, and here are the names who got the correct answer. Question 15. Programs must align with what goals? Programs. Okay, definitely all of you got it. Organizational goals. Here are the correct scorers. Question 16. Who jointly determine the goals of our OPCRF? Okay, the principal and the supervisor jointly determine the goals. Question 17. Which factor is considered cost efficiency? Resource management. Question 18. OPCRF includes indicator of what inclusivity? Inclusivity means on learners' development. Question 19. Which group supports measurable outcomes? Okay, the school governing councils or the SGC. Here are the top scorers on this part. Then we go to question 20. How often is OPCRF updated? Of course, we update it regularly. Question 21. Which part of the OPCR rates the leadership behaviors? From the part 2 or the behavioral competencies. Here are the top scorers for this round: Ronaldo, Ford, Arlene, Len, and Shia. Question 22. What is the role of mid-year assessment? Mid-year assessment again. We realign our goals. Here are the top scorers of this round. Next, question 23. Which is not a KRA for principals? Definitely, it's the core hobbies. Question 24. What reflects the priority in the key result area weighting? Total of 100%. Then we go to 25th, which is a key leadership competency. People performance management. Question 26. What does OPCR emphasize for school improvement? Research and monitoring. Question 11. Question 27. Which stakeholders' feedback is included? Of course, parents. Question 28. What is the critical skill for principals managing functions? Time management. And the last question for the day. What ensures coherence in performance standards? Alignment with our PMS. Okay, 13 of you got the correct answer. And now, who's on the podium for a bronze medalist is Ma'am Ella. Congratulations. Our silver medalist is Len and Shia with 21 out of 29. And the gold medalist is Ford. Congratulations.